Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you had a good day in the market. It is April 4th, 2023. It's a Tuesday on a short week. We're going to look at some technical analysis in the stock market. Stocks, options, and futures we traded today. The market might have topped today. I'll show you why I think that and why we might be in for a long downside for the next, I don't know, maybe a couple months. So here we go. Sub up, like up, comment down. Happy money sticks around. Here's our Twitter. You can follow us on at HappyMoneyYT. And our Discord is linked in the description as well. You can jump on there. It's a free Discord. So SPY is getting up to these resistance areas back here that we made in February. So pretty obvious resistance level. And now today it looks like we might be getting an engulfing candle. Got about 30 minutes to close. So it's not over yet, but if this body basically closes below this body, then this is an engulfing candle, which is bearish. Doesn't mean it's just going to come straight down the next 2 days this week, but it is a trigger for me to basically go short. Could still chop around and do stuff like it did back here, you know, maybe even break that high, but basically the end of this move up and most likely the beginning of the move down at some point soon. So next leg down, we'll see. This leg down only made it to here. This next one down, I don't know. Maybe it'd be interesting if it made a higher low and we continued with this upward kind of little channel, this shorter term channel that we're in. Otherwise, I'm thinking maybe down here, but yeah, we will see. So I did trade some futures today. We'll go over them. I got a short on the break. This break right here, I pulled a short in right there. That was where it was. Maybe it was even lower than that. I was a little slow. Anyways, I traded pretty good though. Closed them out, closed out some here, and then reopened them actually here on the break of this. And then closed them out here. And then jumped back in them up here, and I think I closed them already. So I'm out of it now, but I'll probably get back into I'm just trading the micro ES futures shorts. Probably get back into them by close. Last 10 minutes or so usually gets kind of volatile, so if we get a rip up, I'll try and get a nice bounce to go short on. But yeah, you saw the engulfing candle on the daily, which we'll see if it plays out. On the hourly, we've got this bear flag. We also have this RSI divergence here, higher highs, lower highs than the RSI. Our MACD is also bearish. We have red under the 9 moving average, so I do expect a pullback. This is a short week. Friday's closed. Did some plays today, closed some stuff out. Opened a couple different ones. GME again bounced off of that 22 level. It was looking pretty scary this morning. SPY was coming down, GME was coming down. It just started slowing down here, but SPY was still kind of flushing through. If you look at like 1050, yeah, look, 1050. SPY was just getting picked up on momentum to the downside, and GME just held flat. Like GME's about to break this level. Basically, I'm gonna flip my longs to shorts if we kind of break this and hold below it. Doesn't have to be this exact level, but yeah. So far, it's respected this very well. So bounce there before the SPY, and yeah, now we're still looking bullish, and still in this kind of channel of accumulation after that bullish earnings that they had. So I'm assuming we're gonna get a rip up here anytime. Could be with SPY rally, but I'm not so sure on the SPY rally right now. Doesn't have to really rally, but even just some chop on SPY, and I think GME can move up. Not sure if it's going to get out of control or not. I think I'd take another call. We'll look at the options though. Bed Bath, another big sell-off today. It's down, I think, 12%. Made it all the way down to 33.25. So yeah, 13% from open to low. But then it got this engulfing candle, got a bullish MACD, and Bob's your uncle worked back up to $37.37. Right there at 2 o'clock. So made a pretty nice move up, pretty good volume, and now it's holding above VWAP. So these are good signs that you want to see intraday. More of this, and we'll have found a bottom potentially on Bed Bath & Beyond, just on a technical level. That you may consider an engulfing candle. I don't necessarily. Longer time frames, nothing's really bullish so far. Need to see more days of just kind of flattening, sort of like this, and a break to the upside will confirm it. This ends up being a hammer candle, that would be good, but not a great one so far. MACD did flip bearish yesterday, so not good. Even just a bounce up to the moving average is quite likely, I guess, since we've lost over 50% in the last 4 days on this stock. Kind of crazy. I closed my calls this morning on BBBY, break even, same ones I opened up yesterday, and I actually opened up some today. They hadn't raised in price up here, so I just opened them up. I'll close them tomorrow at open if there's not a gap up, and so far it's working out pretty good. Let's see what we traded today. Futures, yeah, I kind of showed you my entries and exits on the MES. That's all I traded on the futures today, and then our options trades. So here's the options I closed on BBY. I closed my NVIDIA put. I was a little early. I think I was early getting into it, so I just got kind of nervous, but it would have ended up being good actually here, down 2%. So it would have been profitable, but I did close it this morning. Oh well. Actually, I might want to even get back into something, because we have that divergence on it. I don't know. We'll see. Close that, and then close out of my birds shares today. I was planning on just holding it, but I was out of buying power, and I'm like, I don't need to hold this. So we'll see if that ends up being a good call or not. It's above VWAP, but I didn't like it breaking this 2340, and now it's using that as resistance, so doubly negative. Looks like a bear flag there, so this might be coming down a little bit more before potential another rally. Yeah, I guess that's what I did on there. And then eVTOL was up like 5% at one point today, now it's only up 1. My Corsair put debit spread opened up yesterday. It actually flipped green today. There's a big spread on there, so it's going to take time. GME calls are still down on here, just these April 25 calls. MCB put debit spread is up since that came down. Yeah, it's down 8%. I'm looking for a gap fill at the least of that 26 or so range. And then my MU put is up 58%, which is very nice. This thing's down 3.5%. So this one I'm looking, these are some of my exits. Maybe this trend line right here, which would be right here somewhere, or this trend line right here, or this trend line right here, or if it breaks those, then just these flat horizontal supports would be 52.80, and then really just this gap fill down here at $50. So if it makes it down here, that'll be pretty big play. Got 45 days on it, so pretty good amount of time. VHS actually had a pretty good rip up today, but the spreads are bad on there, and that play's probably going to be dead. Wish is down 4%. Yeah. Oh, and then other trades I wanted to get into. Long on RIVN. The chart on RIVN looks actually really nice. So I did trade it on my Theta Farming account because I didn't have buying power on the trading account, but I did cash accrued puts on it. Got a nice RSI divergence here that you can see. See if I can do it down here. So higher lows and then lower lows. So there's your divergence. And then also, of course, we have bullish MACD, green over the 9. It is kind of getting to a resistance, I suppose, but not too bad. Has gap fills up here, so I think start filling these gaps and maybe price target up here in $21. That's on this account. That's right. So AMC, they settled the lawsuit or whatever, and they're gonna have a reverse split, and all this news came out. I literally opened up AMC cash grid puts yesterday. I've separated myself from this stock for literally years because it's such poison. And just yesterday, I'm like, you know what? There's a bull flag. I know they have this lawsuit coming, but I don't know when. I don't know what's going to do to the stock. I'm just going to go. So I did a cash grid put, 4.5 strike. And yep, sure enough, literally after hours, all that news. It's down 23%. So I don't know. I could take losses. It's only 450. It's not bad. I might just try and roll it. But basically, I have 300 shares of AMC at $4.50. Well, a little less than that because of premium, but we'll see. This is April contract. So, oh, and then here I got these are the BBBY calls I got. That'll close tomorrow if there's not a big gap up. on BBBY. So just getting nice overnight exposure. And GME, I did get another call today on GME actually. I added one more 25 call for January. I guess it's this one right here. Yeah. So slowly adding those. Chart stays bullish. Here's the RIVN put, cash grid put, 15 strike, so kind of close to the money. I'm bullish on the chart. 2 of them for April, $184 in credit. 3,000 buying power effect, but not really that much, I don't think. I'm not sure. SPY at the low here. That's what I got, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on Discord. Peace out.